welcome back to the Kings of Tech. Just got a short video for you today about two cool products. I want to say I see a lot of drone reviewers in particular that have these big drone channels, and they have, like, hundreds and thousands, maybe even millions of subscribers to their channel. And they talk good things about registering your drone and following all the laws and this and that. But I'm amazed because when I see their drones, when they show the sticker, or excuse me, the number for their drones that you have to get registered by the FAA, and they give you a number. Some of them literally write the number on the drone itself with a marker, or seem like chalk sometimes. It just doesn't look cool. So I just wanted to make a short video and let you see this cool website called TagMyDrone.com. And what it is, they will make the stickers for you. And I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check it out. But it don't, cost $5, $6, whatever, how many stickers you want. They will produce them for you, and it doesn't make the, in other words, I see people going out there buying these $2,000 drones, but then you just literally write the number for the FAA registration number on the drone. It just doesn't look cool. It's like slapping something tacky on a $100,000 Cadillac. It just doesn't look right. So, and for full disclosure, I'm not being paid by TagMyDrone.com. I just happened to do a Google search, and that's what came up. But if you want your drone to look cool and look professional, really look professional. Look at this. This sticker looks professional. This sticker looks professional. Even on the Mavic Air 2. And it doesn't cost that much money, to get this done. And it may take, depending on which shipping you choose, may take about a week for the stickers to get here. But I thought, I would make a short video because, there's a lot of, like I said, channels that get hundreds and thousands of views, and their drones just don't look good. And there's also another company called WrapGrade. If you want to make your drone look more outstanding, you want to distinguish yours from the others, then there's a company called WrapGrade that makes these cool looking wraps for your drone. Like, you go to you got a nice car, you might take your sports car to a particular shop and they wrap it for you, and you pay X amount of dollars. Well, this company WrapGrade, they will make a wrap for your drone, and it don't even cost that much. More, you spend 24 to 36 bucks. As you can see, this is the skin on this Mavic Air 2, and it just distinguishes it, rather than stock. Even on this Mavic Air 1, people come up to me all the time and say, where did you get that made? And I'm sort of surprised, they haven't heard about this website. So I'll leave a link in the description below for both companies, TagMyDrone and WrapGrade. And if you like what you're hearing, just give me a thumbs up. If you don't, you know what to do. Thanks again. This is Charles for Kings of Tech. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.